Okay, beta, in the nationalism in Europe, rise of nationalism in Europe chapter, the Balkan problems of rise of nationalism in the Eastern Europe is another very important story of this chapter. Do you know, beta, what was the Balkan problems? Actually, Balkan region is located in the Eastern Europe. There is a Baltic Sea, and some very important states or countries are located around this Baltic Sea, like Romania, Serbia, Bulgaria, Czechoslovakia, Herzegovina, etc. But this region was ruled by Ottoman Empire, and when Ottoman Empire declined, then some very powerful imperial power of Europe tried to control over this region. Russia and Germany, these both countries were the main fighter to control over this region. Actually, what happened after the decline of Ottoman Empire, many countries were trying to get dependence for their countries. As for example, freedom was a main target for various countries. Serbia and Austria, the people of this region were known as the Slav, and Serbia started a Slav movement, and this movement was against the existence of Austria. So Austria opposed this movement, and Serbia anyhow tried to make a Serb state. So a big tension created between the Serbia and Austria. Serbia, promoted by Russia, and Austria, promoted by Germany. Actually, the issue of this region was now not between the Serbia and Austria, it was the issue between Germany and Russia, because these were the two big power to spread the imperialism in this region. So they started a fight against to each other by the help of these two smaller countries. And ultimately this situation was created a very explosive situation. And in 1914, First World War was started from the origin of this nationalist movement in this Balkan region. So these are some very important topics from this chapter, nationalism in Europe, and I think you have already completed this chapter. I am going to give some very important questions topic in the written form. You have to note these all questions in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.